I want Chairman Wontumi to be the NPP national chairman.
That's a brofo no want. And then no mako fa ko bi metim brofo sin no na kwetena parliament.
Atofo
metim brofo sin. Etu pa friend na mini ni mienu ya fa brofo. Oh, na say me ka brofo a. Oba pa ahun fe. Me ka brofo be ye nation. Yes. What you say? But one of the brofo na waka no. Ensisi so. What you say ensisi so? Enti ayade a NDC for no amukura no. I'm telling
you. Do you think the people are foolish? At a point in our history, now school for the incremedian in the school for the under Baumia. Nanado dan kweku for the jina on the Baumia jina stage so catch say almost be 350 senior high schools. Obian for to me momo. Baumia symposia and symposium around the nation. I catch say dollar na ewo 2.8 no or betam the about 1. Ye we na dollar na 18. Cause I'm paying yourself like I say for to me mano. Hadeba kwa time and them sorry you say Chairman Wontumi a launch the campaign song. Wa launch the campaign song. Campaign song already there or be national chairman of the NPP. Ye the penno. Me say ye penno, but I make a reason to ye penno. Now or be the national chairman we are make chairman good into Chairman Wontumi. Me Chairman Wontumi. I want Chairman Wontumi to be the NPP national chairman. But I make sure reason to me pay Chairman Wontumi. But Chairman Wontumi we are not sure reason to me pay Chairman Wontumi. The other bear man on Bekasa. Yes, sorry, yes, Chairman Wontumi so I launching the campaign song. Just a go for Jimmy, party of intellectuals. Now when you sell cow, the two thing. Oh, don't suffer the two. I say a Maggie. No one ching with Jimmy. Now, yes, sorry, I say, part night there, Chairman Wontumi be national chairman. You bet trust skirt manakai into a launch the campaign. Chairman Wontumi a launch campaign. Iti yente Chairman Wontumi campaign.
Omayan speaking one voice. Let's direct ourselves and vote for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. He's the future of Ghana. So we are going to vote massively for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. May God bless you all. I love you.
Montumano, NPP me. Montumano, Ugrudumba. Montumano, NPP ma. Chama Wontumi reko. Ono ani epe. Ose. Hey, chama Wontumi. Ejumanye, sikanye, ejumanye. NPP national chairman, Wontumi, chairman, Wontumi, oh. NPP national chairman, oh no, babe. I'm for the journey to a city. Oh no, babe. NPP national chairman, Wontumi, no bet to me, chairman Wontumi, don't NPP power, Wontumi, don't NPP power, our door, my NPP, NPP national chairman, Benaden Kibwe, Siako, Namesa Womo, Chama Wontumi. Nyoni Wontumi, any injection, no one knows too much. Chama Wontumi, no, obey. Chama Wodo, my NPP pie, want to have no, obey. I have been done any man to us, yet one sooner one yet I have no. Montumano, NPP me. Montumano, Ugrudumba. Montumano, NPP ma. Chama Wontumi reko. Ono ani
At the year, Chamai. Yeah. Chamai. Chamai.
NPP national chamai. Wontumi, chamai, Wontumi. NPP national chamai. Oh no, babe. I'm for the journey to a soti.
I catch them say. Some people for some dinko some satiri kumase. Media Wontumi ani epe. Se sia dem support Wontumi. O wini wi an me chira de kodi dem support ro. Amanfo na Jimmy tu. NPP. Ready. Hwe. O ma Jimmy style bia bi. Me kan mo se me didi o matam. O ma Jimmy tu. He yasin yumi. But still me support Wontumi. Ya pese Wontumi wini. Wontumi wini wi an me chira de kodi dem me support Wontumi. Media we man for and I tell you what are you doing me and family home me say I want Wontumi to win and become the national chairman of the NPP. Me person winning we are not mature the could me support Wontumi there. My boy Wontumi campaign so enyum nyina wo ma me sika o ma me kapre but me support no de bia me body nyum no de bia me bo Wontumi nyum no me support Wontumi akopese Wontumi be winning national chairman. O winning we are now for mature the could me support Wontumi. Mena mitumi chiro figure Mahamudu Baumia benya e the primaries mu. Mena me chiro the only figure and I'm getting it right. Me say, mema Wontumi wini na ma chiro the could me support Wontumi. What dear wunim dear ba.
Waya wagadrini, waya kalaburani, waya dargani, waya dishonest person. The corrupt attitude of the Nam Kroma. Evil and devil. Okita anti-party behavior. Waya dishonorable person. Bapolanti. Oni okansema ni yire fini ho NPP wato aduane ama obia oye ni brefo an ungrateful and unpatriotic leader. That is Kennedy Japan for you. Asin dumpen destroyer adwene kita na nya adwen papa ontiapo in the first place ana ha ono kwana na homa tie bipolar psychological me hu sa onya ni papa we indiscipline, we dishonest, we unpatriotic. So wadan nkwan 278 nkusie ne ekokote ne kankane ne dabo ne mponchi ne dam no oboa oni hu emayewe ochre yebetindi nkutaye oduru ha no de frat ochre metima ma ye de nkate aye sa nipa no onye famfu central for sign na ofa o madwuma meme ye gimifo ntimi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de didi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra to me beside Jimmy for questions. Oh, you're hungry pig. Who do the I ring Crawford Tadi in Afra. Much more intelligent crowd to me beside Jimmy for questions. Oh, you're hungry pig. Who do the I ring Crawford Tadi in Afra. Much more intelligent crowd. And I started religious war. I will chrome her. Because I say when you're dementia and one cancer when I started here. And you got need to go to me. But when you're to me beside Jimmy for questions. Oh, you're hungry pig. Who do the I ring Crawford Tadi in Afra. Much more intelligent crowd. And I started religious war. I will chrome her. Because I say when you're dementia and one cancer when I started here. And you got need to go to me. Bawumia na abɔ me pa. You pull him down person. PhD na ukita no. Your friend pull him down. And the Japan Wontumi mama ye NPP presidential candidate and apparent. Man na nwene da because who know bia you are nobody. Ghana president in Fatao. Who are born who na who adwene mu atoto atowo no. Emu atoto ntokuro no. Who ye empty. And no more mu di na chi ni so te se ono a. Omu nyina ye empty. Nti omu ne Kennedy anebe nante. Na aboa na ono no wo Wona wo adwene mu atoto atowo no emu atoto ntokuro no wo ye empty ana omo di na chi ni so te se ono a omo nyina ye empty nti omo ne Kennedy anebe nante na aboa na ono no wo ewura mu wa ye frɛ no aboa so no kora no o wa adwene kyɛ nipa na mu di na chi amoso na ye MPP no Wona wo adwene mu atoto atowo no emu atoto ntokuro no wo ye empty ana omo di na chi ni so te se ono a omo nyina ye empty nti omo ne Kennedy anebe nante na aboa na ono no wo ewura mu wa ye frɛ no aboa so no kora no o wa adwene kyɛ nipa na mu di na chi amoso na ye MPP no nante na aboa na ono no wo ewura mu wa ye frɛ no aboa so no kora no o wa adwene kyɛ nipa na mu di na chi amoso na ye MPP no omo nam bia immature people madness nante na aboa na ono no wo ewura mu wa ye frɛ no aboa so no kora no o wa adwene kyɛ nipa na mu di na chi amoso na ye MPP no omo nam bia immature people madness nante na aboa na ono no wo ewura mu wa ye frɛ no aboa so no kora no o wa adwene kyɛ nipa na mu di na chi amoso na ye MPP no omo nam bia immature people madness wadwene ye adwuma pa wo nsɔre sɛ wo Kennedy wa akɔpem wa na ye MPP no omo nam bia immature people madness wadwene ye adwuma pa wo nsɔre sɛ wo Kennedy wa akɔpem wa nam bia immature people madness wadwene ye adwuma pa wo nsɔre sɛ wo Kennedy wa akɔpem wa because ni party dan nine na the Japan can never be MPP opakunya kɛseɛ so at emotional intelligence ayo hypocrite unni wa ankasa unye serious na ankasa no ɛsɛ yɛ fa wo sɛ yɛto paahwi ɛnya wo nkoa na wahɛda yi wadwene akɔto wura mu ya break Kennedy Japan ya brew madness abo Kennedy Japan
Baby amaka me say ne ye asomafo Bible credit da ho no de refi no na Bible ne kaye na de kudie ntia onyankopɔn asɛm de bia kaye n sɛ ɛboa ma ye kaye nchi na nyoma bia ye no ye nya biom ɛnti na sebio o kan Bible Psalm 14 verse 1 o se okwasea ana ogegentwie na kana koma mu so onyankopɔn ni wo Bible no wo ho nko ade be kai wo se onyame wo ho until you cannot forget the word of God. That is why there is evidence of the Yesu beye and the evidence of Onyamin san wejuma. Into kind from Genesis chapter 1. Eko see the Revelation last page. Echira Onyame ni tumi and the otumi ye and nipa si jina pinting ne ye de resho nyamwa de onyame aye ne Yesu baba nyame baba ye Yesu Kristo be no eno ne boaye ema ye kikire ye brane a yemfom onyankopon a sebio ye somo no inti evidence is very important. And when it comes to politics sa nyoma we hia ebe kaye ebe me hu se sebio ye nyagentwie ana ye nkwasea ana se ye nim nyansa se de bia ebe hu evidence no na ye re befu ye ho se e wo se eboaye e shape ne ye e guide ye emetumi take the decision eye papa ebeboaye enti saa Bible na emaye nyansa emetumi kai nyame no ensem sei ne boaye me kai ho se saa ye nyankwasiafo saa na ɔsono a ɔda nwure mu no sebio obi ka kyerɛ sɛ saa ɔsono nim nyansa kyɛn ye saa na nipa na yedi ne kyi no obi ka kyerɛ sɛ wabɔdam na adwene no emu etutu ntokuro ɛno ɛna guide. History will always guide men, and that is why we are always bringing history back. Yebe kaimo yɛdeɛ sɛbi obi bɛsie messengers yɛ asomafo yɛ nsɛm yɛ nui enkuta Bible ɛna enkuta Quran yɛde asomafo a yaba sɛ yɛbɛ kyekye nsɛm na yama oso wakae wo ho nsɛm ne deɛ na ɛndɛ deɛ dapo no so no deɛ Japan yɛ ni brɛfo wura yi wadwena akɔto wura mu ya break ne deɛ Japan ya brew madness abo Kennedy Japan deɛ yi wadwena akɔto wura mu ya break ne deɛ Japan ya brew madness abo Kennedy Japan has always been careless. Kennedy Japan here ni brefo we are Messia. Thank you very much for staying. Media ne say mekaiwo die esi na oyo badwumba na oyo nyansafo a na de bi nso ato trim de bi ato kotodwam uko wenim no na wadwene wo ho senia obe take you decisions afa. Into my job here is to remind you, is to show you receipts. It should let you is to just to give you the terminal report of what has transpired. Me djuma no me de me asomafo me ba na ma be kyerɛw de bia we hu. Inti sebi o NPP ni ye Kennedy supporter ye be ta kai mo. This is the Mahmoud Bawumia sponsored show. A social media so a whole regional chairman Bawumia na yiri beifo Samira edi sika ko shem say onye. Inti this is how the party is going, and we will remind the party and remind Bawumia these are the works of Mahmoud Bawumia. Ejuma odi no ehonfa so ebina yede kyeremo no, and he's willing and ready to continue this. And itina they are still doing what they are doing. Mejuma me yosoma for they be ametena me say I am a messenger without a Bible or a Quran. I look beyond religion and I look beyond tribe. I am a messenger who is ready and willing to speak truth to power. Inti me ba the won kai the refi the bia mbre bia be see adwin say won kai no na mabekai wo moment so na yen dwudwa nsem nim. Now this is a very good one. Me pesa me de chiro the end will be uncle Toko. Ukokun talk about Ukokun talk about near Bechichim. Now, TikTok a judges. Bebre oh, bro. All right, now, government officially renames Kotoka International Airport Accra International Airport. This is what we call a government that is ready to make change. And Menoka say, Aya abanya eteso aya John Dramani Mahama aban atsesa aya Kotoka International Airport din edia edaso aya Accra International Airport. Accra International Airport. Inti and then the NDC government led by John Dramani Mahama, the transport minister, any omo mukahuni nyinano, aviation minister, whatever, they have done a marvelous job. Today we don't have a traitor, a murderer. And it didn't die airport. So today we have Accra International Airport. And this is a government that is gradually, slowly tweaking, intertwining, changing things positively to basically make Ghana a better place to live in. We are Ukrainian, be proud. We are Ghanaian, be proud. We are Ghanaian, Odo Ghana, or respecting Nkrumah. You adore and respect Nkrumah's legacy. This is an achievement. Nkrumah is for just let applaud John Mahama and the NDC government. They have shown, say, they will protect this country, the legacy of this country. Omo adwenipa. Omo person de chichire man we no. Inti ende no Kotoka, a traitor, a murderer, a dishonest military officer. Today, ye yini din every ye airport no so let's try from today. Yen try ne yenka Accra International Airport. As time goes on, ebeka yenum. Inti Accra International Airport is the new name of Ghana's International Airport. And this is what we've been talking about. They are just distracting themselves. They are not distracting anybody. Mama didn't distract them. Abawe is still focused. Abawe is delivering, doing its job. The job now, Abawe, we as Ghanaians, we need to rally behind the government and support the government. It is never going to be rosary. And yet, enya dia de bia be de aban ya gifree enkwasiafo NPP for nsem na oman no nyoma kobone enti sa aban bia besoma. It is not going to be that easy for aban no, but this is the first time you aban a on complaining aban a why na adwene say it does not matter the problem obeto ye no be solve it. Enti we need to understand say it is not going to be easy in the first term of John Mahama way, and yet easy sir. We all have to understand say e be din kakra. So all try to solve problems. Say yeah, it takes a long time. Kakra. We are seeing a little bit of problems here and there. Sanity. Nobody or Ghana can crash me and they will say, oh, Kajo Mahama buy no, and go say at the end of the day, no, Bibia dabi. Munya muni bibi on my way could do on my way sin trasi. Ye sika some say ye Bibia say ye school some kwani and ye NC hospital, ye update hospital, ye Rituli hospital, ye to me ye fast ye Bibia. Inti for a government to come in, no, Memetiano, Makacham dada, and ye Bibia na bed. It do sometime I will see a cadia ding, I will say ye ni na ye fa de mo dimu na ye answer a bit to realize the idea inti ayana mu be nyina ye mbo entumapo and I say yentuma mu ding because enya easy sir, but enya current is a pede you changes no. You changes now on my way come. You positive change, you president, the commitment to changing this country. The fortunes of this country basically turning out to be good. Sani a teacher mine. Enya atro a nipa baba hye space fun bi abedada nipa disrespect ye edi omo nnuanom omo fase omo nnuanom abegu Jubilee House enunum read abi. This is a government that is realistic. The ama aban way different from aban nyina ye hunu say this John Mahama's government a very realistic government and sugar coating yama dianko yerobaga de sejak we ho kyere timumi nyina ntiase na yen di hudwuma na yentene no. That's how governance is. NPP for the so much Jimmy. Dede no mo ye na koko na dabi. We all know they na on my way asa akosi. Ye nyina yenim omo mu di yesika ye pe ekwan bia so mo nyina ya twe omaso. And not from I've been hearing people talk about and accountability near the other. Who doesn't like accountability? But more we the nyina say ye NDC for accountability nkoso no. Wanga sankasa odo wasem kokota how many days dey di? So you need to understand, as much as you feel say accountability it's a process. Unless you want to tell me say or say aban efa kuti kwanso na sebio or prosecuting kofo, and that is that is not what we all believe in, because ochina won't betima be jina asem na no. But that does not mean say we cannot ask for accountability. We need to ask for it, but realistically we need to understand say oh chichire mind, oh recalibrate mind, oh ma or minus sabe sini that dem senya e was say ya nyoma bi wo ha enye easy sa amanfo de ebufuo ena ekasa, and I understand nipa bi wo ha omakuma yomu hu here for the past 8 years no ama omakuma ebri into omu say NPP for nam horses repent omakuma yomu ya. That is fine, but you see, let the process work, let the process go on, because Sebio Ghana any problems in Ghana jailing people. We have more pressing issues the same as jailing people, no, and so here into accountability, no, it should also go with infrastructure. Accountability, no, it should also go with economic recovery. Accountability, no, it should also go with dollar to cedi exchange rate. Accountability, no, it should also go with interest rate. Accountability, no, it should also go with other things. So we cannot say because of accountability nothing should go on. No, we all want the accountability, but see a process of femuno and yet as ridiculous and tedious as putting somebody before the law court. Say a big push kwine. Sir, process of femuno and yet as tedious and rigorous as putting somebody, a political actor, in front of the court. Let us be realistic sometimes too. Let us be realistic. As much as you are frustrated, I'm frustrated. I wish our court were fast track court, as some court within a week near DAV. But we don't have the luxury. We don't have that access. Now we have to push for our courts to be working faster. Senebeya, processes our court can be faster for us to see how things will go. But as we speak, there's red lights. There's a red traffic light at the court. How are you going to get the things moving? And I'm not cutting slack for the Attorney General. He needs to also find ways to make things move. As much as you person we koye no, I'll see making sure say we musu koye, because say the other part of development now koso na ye accountability. Let's go to court. Ye go court to ya ebe na to light bill. Ye go court to ya ebe na edidi. Ye go court to ya ebe na ye kwan. Ye court to ya ebe na $1 number form. So as much as we are focused on the prosecution, we should also focus on the delivery and what is really changing our lives. So I understand, I agree. We are all angry. You are not angry. But what we need to understand is your mind things should move in a certain way. Some are going to be faster than others. And so person judge NDC aban way our development, economic recovery near there. It's about 90%. When it comes to accountability, the government is struggling. Why is the government struggling? Because maybe the process accountability film, the process maybe a court proceedings film, no, it is not as easy or smooth as maybe passing a bill to make sure say BBC. Until we need to get the dynamics right. We need to get the dynamics right. And there are some people who, for a long time, manage this nation. Mamika be bincha Ghana for. Whether we like it or not, our judiciary was affected. Ekufuadmo area destruction. No? And you cannot say, sir, 8 years now, destroy Ghana. No? It did not affect the judiciary. It did. It did. When I see people on TikTok when I see people speak about why are court cases not moving, why are we not criticizing somebody, the issue is the last week now because we actually about the adjournment. I hate it. It is too much, and the Chief Justice should do something about it. The judges are supposed to know, say, sitting on cases a almost full-time job. And that if they think, say, you just let the Chief Justice know, no change, you know, do be able to know, because we cannot have so many adjournments. But the fact of the case is also, say, there be a bias, MPP disca, MPP say minor, we need to understand that judiciary so can. We were all angry because under Madam Tokono, we saw how the judiciary was brought to its knees. So, say I can say, Omana say, it is not just only the economy. It is not only the education sector. It is not only the health sector. It is not only the infrastructure part. It is also the judiciary. We need to do a lot of work to get the judiciary effective the way we want it to be. Until we cannot criticize and making it look like, say, Ekufuado be the president, he didn't touch the judiciary. So the judiciary has been fluid till now. No. And I'm not saying, say, Obi judiciary wa odi bonibi. I will not sit here and say that. But we need to understand, say, that season that horror movie near share for 8 years, we know, say, the three arms of government, baby, taking a big hit to a judiciary. The legislature, the executive, and the judiciary, baby, Ekufuado, Eden and Saki kan pa. It is the judiciary. So it is not easy. And let us be honest enough with ourselves. There are some judges in our judiciary, with all due respect, maybe they are also aligned to some other people. And they are judges, so they are not aligned to anybody. And there are some, so we need to understand these dynamics are all there. It ain't mean sorry, Nyanka say, because we want this, it needs to happen today. No, we need to look at the process. We need to look at things we can do to make things better. As much as we are blaming the Attorney General, we should also look at the effect now. Any the Ekufuado the NPP mo edi judiciary no. Yatina krom ha Emma Chief Justice to me free case ma afenyo marking. Tokonu in 24 hours not to no di no ajaji. Ade afenyo marking battery shane too. So we could see things near to krom ha Emma easy to me the Assembly Court within 2 minutes. Now mami we are so this is how we saw the number of appointment Ekufuado here at a point Ekufuado kwananko opese odinkophobia na expect say obey your judges. So we need to understand, say, the judiciary itself, it is not as clean as we are making it look. So there's a lot of cleaning that has to be done. Don't get it twisted. Ope accountability. Ope court people jailed. I want people jailed. But you need to understand, these are things that we all need to understand. Say a process. In China, sometimes I've seen a lot of videos with a couple of there's a gentleman, he's speaking boldly, NPP or NDC opposition or Kasapa. Right now he's speaking, he's angry. And sometimes I'm like, you know something? Just sit back and look at the issue critically. The issue is, do you think that the judiciary is perfect like the legislature? Do you think the judiciary is perfect than the executive? Under Ekufuado, we saw what all these arms of government ekomu. So we need to understand. So don't sit back and say because Abansi sign, the judiciary is the purest thing. No, the Chief Justice is in. We have a new government. We need to understand. Say all these institutions have to go through a new phase. We need to clean them up. We need to make sure, say, a reshuffling, serious one, goes through every single agency, and the judiciary is part of it. I will never sit here and protect the Attorney General. I will never do that. And a job to find ways to get people to court to prosecute them. Odru Kota, who is in charge. Odru Kota, who is in charge. And that does not mean me kebi am Attorney General. Me Attorney General madam for no. But I'm making you see the reality. And the say one kasa so unya asem ende. Na ochnedu ko jina court. Na in 4 hours you catch say, hey, asem we dey we are say na say me court me lawyer ntie me. So whoever is in court, all that we are saying is we are pleading with the Chief Justice that the judges almost 4 times near Jumawi and that the adjournments are too much. That's all. We are just pleading with the Chief Justice. He should talk to the judges that the adjournment is too much. And like Kanofuriata, last year didn't buy a judge can say ombra. And the original judge to sometimes the Okroma make a bincho. Utminya ticket. Na Yasibra court 2 o'clock. utumi ba court 2 o'clock oba beto judge ba ko ho yetumi ka se koya ade ne sabra in the next 2-3 hours obeba na judge for wa otie wu case no judge na etie case no sorry obeja note at all about this case. The next day it will be a different judge, but that same different judge will be sitting on your case, and that is how fluid they want cases to be going through our court. But in Ghana, how does it work? Judge me to me leave or to make an adjournment 3 weeks, 1 month. No. So when you're ready, 3 weeks adjournment. Person with the adjournment 3 weeks, but making sure say the following week, somebody is sitting in for you. You cannot leave the case there for 3 months, for 1 week, for 2 weeks, and you say you are going to sit home. That is my problem. In Tuba America, case be you to be from maybe when your ticket or court. Obeko judge when on Monday, yes, Sabra Wednesday, Obeba the same judge, another judge the 2 hour case, and nothing will change. It is the same case. I don't intend to mean be Ghana. I don't intend to mean yes, our Ghana. It's about the adjournment. 3 months, not Obia adjourn case 3 months. Not chairman want to because you pay you in Amho. Then he feels to say Obia to mean I'm not saying say we should force the system to change verdict. No, but the cases needs to be moving. Chairman want to be because cases send down so. How many cases they here? Only one. One is so how fast is that case going? So we need to get real with ourselves. Let's get real with ourselves. Now, this is another story I want to talk about. So that story is very important to me. United DA, Miamaka, Manchester. Oh, no. Manchester, Ankasa, no. One time I want to support Manchester. One be no more time. If you was in the Nimse Kura, or was in the Nimse Band. On say nipa bi more time that naturally ebi omo Manchester jersey no support to be obo more time naturally I say kakawure good team kwasiampanyi bia no but Manchester ankasa dear guys it's not a small team. Manchester win yanko enim. Now this story is very important. Ghana Education Service directs immediate cessation of all inter-school sports competitions among SHS technical schools in Central Region. Now yenina yehu yes, and the Ghana Education Service at director say over Central Regional a year intercono mu ye ni nyina no sa a year intercono omo for tabono to so omunjai for now. And then we have a video of the CID boss. Now Oma one of the schools strict instructions say they should provide a year enquirana na omo attack other students no and yes their school na nkasa ho be kire omo. Now the honest truth is this a year in Takwa ye. I just say yes, so Sonya Masu Ghana for too long. I say do some time I say need jumadi. I say do some time I dare you to be solving within a day no. Now you're prolonging na mana tintin to say ye ni bibia ye. The interco problem no. There are so many branches to it. And the people who are causing this interco fight no, are old students. The old students of these schools, omuna interconudra, omukoma sankorana encouragement to do what they are doing. We are allowing people who are not supposed to be part of the intercolleges, to be part of the sport event, to infiltrate. It is a way steady intercon pa. So uko intercona ACCA. Mostly old students now, Oma Junior almost say, yeah, the school, no, we don't want to let it go. The intercobi see between your ni omo school way into Enkorana Bano, ya kwa shen Korana chi, na ya quiet to trust them. 90% of the old students now, interconu drua, omo ko sa location or ana park hono, ekoye sa adiano. And then now we need to also understand the say. Sa free SHS phone kufu de ba. Now there are people are more free SHS are age in the there are so many students are more free SHS say any football age no mu use and can free SHS phone kufu start here. Now your incredible school with all due respect they are not supposed to be in school, they are supposed to be learning a trade. They are supposed to be learning a particular skill. But you see, because at a point, your man free SHS here to say, where the obia to me kobino, there are some people who don't have any business to be in school. I'm telling you. There are some people, they don't have any business being in school. There are some people now already so school cry. But right now, no, the idea then they say, yes, if free SHS aba, I was said me a part of it. And yet to go and study. They don't have any end game. They are just part of it because they have seen it say a very easy avenue for them to exploit. So in Quran more free SHS most of them, about 60% of Nkora omugu free SHS, about 60%, they are not there because they want to learn, pass, go to tertiary, and continue the education. Some of them are just there because you are both free SHS, so I don't know. Sometimes let's be real with ourselves. We are feeding some people we are not supposed to feed for free. We are forcing some people to be in school. Ankasa nkwala and come to me atenefie esuade akosua de pam akosua mechanic adwuma bi akosua ensanu dwuma betumi kura momo better money than what they are doing. But you see, ekufo de jimi ni by force free SHS no oni ba omiam no. Now there are a lot of people who go to free SH not because also go to school, also have discipline, also usua de the end game no, or is in the school because almost a free SH is easy access. And some of these kids, they join a very serious students and they mess things up. Now I believe say the Ghana Education Service, they should come out with strict laws. Masa, Moman Koran Tias say Intakoni Drua, the students now move free school hormono. Teachers now Moody School in Koranico School 1 in Korani Shamonsa. The Ghana Police Service should make the schools understand we are going to have policemen there who are not wearing uniform. They are going to be among the students. We are also going to track TikTok. We are going to track social media. If we get to see you misbehaving, say, oh yeah, a criminal, you go to jail. We are juvenile, you're juvenile jail. After that, you should set the lines. You see, we are bread, your man for so our Ghana. And it's not Asia, one discipline. No, some question same way. Nanko say, GS, Education Minister Baptist Ghana for say, the next intercolleges, say, interquasi, now you who on social media, we will send police. Na a capture na a criminal, you are going to jail. Say, oh, you're below 18 years, you are going to juvenile jail. You best say you were there for school. You see, we need to let them know, say, Adena Okoyano, sa school na woman, that will be your end. Now, when the kids go to the school, and I say, when they go to the intercourt location, and I say, stadium, we are not supposed to mix Nkwarano with people who just came there to watch. We should be strict about it. This stand, Adikoka stand, for visitors or people who want to come and watch. Whether you are an old student, you are this is where you are. These stands are for students. We can differentiate, and I say we can separate students from Abontene. Now the fight now happening with Abontene. What happens? And they say, "Sa video na around." We are supposed to pick all these videos. Identify all these people, go after them, and use that to set as an example for the young ones in school. We can't keep talking. We can't keep having meetings. 2026, na Akwarako school, na Otumi Yisikai, Otumi, imagine saying where they have access to guns. Have you asked yourself, what pain for Ghana no? Imagine saying the only thing they don't have access to are guns. When they get access to guns, you can't control them. So we need to let them understand. Fighting at Interco a criminal offense. Put it on paper. Yatigana na nkwasia de na nkwasia kasa ene betina radio so a ne yeka nkwasia brofu ne yehye nkwasia suit. Put a law together. Let the young kid understand that if you have caught into and your own problem, Interco, stay home, stay in school. Wow, papa small say bra school. Never den, never sua de, ne pass no. Interco drew now this own problem. Stay in school. Yen yakwa SSC bida. So why do we sit and entertain nonsense? Why? Say yachi abontini suni na oshe school be uniform. Na onya part of that school. Na say oni eyedien ID to prove say or part of the school also go jail. We are all students. I didn't also show uniform. Let's put the rules there. We are all students. When you're coming to watch the event, don't bring any uniform. We are all students. You are not part of the student. Go and sit at where visitors sit. We are all students. Don't let the lines be there. What is this nonsense of yes, some question some way so Ghana? Why are we? Why Argentina? Argentina, it's not Ghana. I dare be to be dealing with in a second. Near Kikabro. Why do we have to be? Because see, a Krobia son obia on the right too. But Udi Bonia, Ubongs all right and Kobebia. Hey, let those people who think say Omokusian law, their right, their students' right. Momokan Kwasiasam, put the law there. Omne some huna tomo. Omne Omokusian Kwasia Brofubina. Omu say space biaba no bibi. You know the right of students. You cannot make it strict government. Education Ministry, work with the Ghana Police Service, work with the Ministry of Education, Ghana Education Service. Sit down, draft a law, and read it to the students. See a ko interco, na see a kwacho, say unshow uniform, okontokwa a sack, a criminal offense. You can go to jail for 2 years. Say a chill. Now say unya student of Akraka. Na say okwa to trust them. Na ya chill. Na say we old student. No. You are not part. Yachiwa 5 years. You will see the discipline. Near to work a camera for and you know the children, and these are not kids. Inti Abasana, you set the record straight. Na afe in Quranic school, there will not even be afe intercover dawa. About the schools no kwaneko. So na intercono. It is there, for the schools to do what? To have games. Ya nkasi ya bekontokwa. So we student no we ninja wa wotene fie. Me interco time. Ya ko minim sa akrakara before me to trafo ntimi nko. Me kwa akrakara before ho. Anam kugina Mary's no any Ebri girls side. Because na akrakara before pentokwa. Intimi na me akrakara so mo school na wodwom. Intimi me ni omo nya gidigidi. Inti because omo no mo tutu boba. But na se omo jai, sa de omo jai. Intimate time ko school no na me akrakara before nya fine because omo so nice girl na omo ya omo no mbonwum ne ade so inti me ko interco ne ade me ni akrakara before nya fine any school no pentokwa pa ne omo nya omo jai omo nyina West African secondary school omo so put trust some na all students be omo nya omo jai side. But I'm just saying we should get serious in this nation and stop the long talk. Put a law together. Let the kids read. Let them understand. Say, hey, entakokwa. Not a wakuntokwa ni chiwa. Obeko jail. Mega so you student. You were their school beyond to me for beyond to me try exams for Ghana. Beyond. Set the record straight. Put the laws there. Omun Jimmy beyond. Hey, when I also we old student. Akraka ekwako entakwa. We old student. Kona koshebi. You are not supposed to join the student to go do any jama. Say a chill. Now nam students inciting Korano. Jama. You bet chow. That we need to set the records. But Ghana, when you see the videos on TikTok, small boys, why? Because I don't know, only the consequences being no. Only so by side we asako school, asako try exams. Only side we police in Chino, but so only say a China or beko jail. Ya China school no woman we on your school bianco Ghana biem. On tries no. And me see, some Korea much and saying, pick all of them up and take them out of the school. Just list them, their names, put their pictures on the internet, and let Ghana kid be posted. My school be from a Tari school said, Nipa 50 way around the nation because of interco. They were involved in altercation, they were involved in this, they have been sacked. Some of them are facing trial. Akorabian hua na interco time drua obedwene. Yedi eni bibia yedi man kwara sura de ene tikro nim ena kwasie bia so no ka brofo. Every idiot is speaking English. San kwara we the security agencies pick TikTok, identify all of them as time goes on. Munchi omunyina. Oma was some jail 2 years, 3 years, jail them. Oma I was sack omo. Abro Wontumi go school or Ghana BM, sack them. We are monya list. Now we making sure the school be a post to school. Omo board so for every student to witness it and say, hey, and go for a school and cry. Yapamo where's so go jail? Hey, where's so a central region? Next time in Tacoba Pet no I steady or copper between you and no dodge, you know, police. This is the boy who threw the water. Ya tu got an dodge. Please, this is the boy who threw the water. Oh, who so be to so back. Oh, who so be to back. That is how you instill discipline in young people. You want to guide young people, but I don't want to give them rules to live within. Mo person who raising kwara, but mo person more rules. Give them strict rules. Yet Ghana na kwasasam. Yet Ghana, yet ni atu some kwasasam so sana enkwara we su Jimmy. Now we share some of the video extra at time. Just the audacity. Me say the biggest problem within Kali schools in Nkasa. You don't want to get any old school nonsense involved in intercolleges. No foolish old school student be anywhere also don't know just idea we mu. So we school ya presec, we school ya kraka, we school ya gasco, we school ya disco. Go to the stadium, go and sit at the visitors' place and watch. And then the visitors somebody here made themselves visitors namoko. When you're a student and you go, your mouth baby someone don't move from there to go join another group. It is simple. You're pikiwa, you are sacked. You're to be for discipline into how can we get these kids to learn? Say to me, more rules, more living within her. How can we get them to learn? How can we get them to be better citizens? Young Kranwa, Eku for the Jimmy way, and all the free of such by Obianco school. Some people are not supposed to be in school. And Obi Kano, Kevin, they have guns. And Kurani kute tuo. Some people are not supposed to be in school. Some people are not supposed to be in school. Hey, school is supposed to be difficult for you to get in. School. And you say, yeah, easy mouse will be room. And then I say, oh, for now, rema. Now, and then a mouse some motivation. But when it becomes easy to get admission, it is easy for you to fool. And that is what we are suffering today. School should not be easy to get in. If you see baby, school be anyway, I will say, room easy. School easy. And they say only aim will be because you have no challenge before you. Education, and it's a bar cheap. No. Some person obasuya dia tuyasika na obanu suya dia. That part you have control over akorano until so bedu 18 na only control biom. Na akorana on net no dim sanya na otwa the fees opia bontena wa babetu aka bia kire no. And dan nkwasi asem neku for the best start here no. And ne atena ho abedu ne. The free SHS, I'm telling you. And you be also Kobe. Bro, for the chroma ha. Yes, so be an go school. More sick of I'm Ghana. Nimpa sign a co school. You going to school does not mean you're going to be successful. It does not mean you're going to be intelligent. You going to school, you going to free SHS. It will not make you successful. It will not make you intelligent. It's about you, what you want to achieve. And then you go school, no be a rich man and as a successful student. No. It's your see a idea and say we need to draw that line. You can't free SHS in obi wo ya also go free SHS or go free SHS didn't know oko. Reason tia krano by force uncle free SHS any day. Oh, try na go free SHS ni we na go pet technical ibesua ana yanka bibia nchira krano ko school na go free SHS. Eku for the Jimmy wan go school Ghana on take Ghana school ase. Eku for the baba na go school Ghana. Ba omia on sha akora bia wa SS da. Na po on wo da. Why na what NPP mo nim nyansa about school? Professor Nano Poko Ajiman H Ghana for say this is how we're supposed to do it. Yes, yay, progressively and kakra. So it will not be easy to get in, but when you get in, you appreciate it. And now Professor Nano Poko Ajiman in 2015 or launch progressive free SHS no. And yeah, easy. Inti so Brenna uremwa, you appreciate it. Now the kids don't appreciate school. School now people were appreciating no. In the past, people now, the students, they don't appreciate the school because you don't have to hustle to go to school. You don't have to learn to go to SS. You know, everything is foolish and free. Bibia kwasia bia ba free. Na ekroma yati anka bia free anka man for bank omobre. They are just there. 90% of Nkramo free SHS youth waste. Every year bia you pass waste out. Yatina Kroma. And these kids, they see the things we do. They watch us. Yatina Kroma, a whole minority leader. A whole minority leader. After your marking, ebo police in Yasum. Into the CID boss, the IGP. You are going after these kids for what? I'm asking you people. Madam Lydia Donko, with all due respect to you, IGP, with all due respect to you, a whole Afenyomakin slapped a police officer in Ghana. Afenyomakin, he is the leader of the piglets. These kids, they saw it. This is a legislature, a member of parliament. He is with the legislature. He makes laws. He's a member of that parliament in Ghana that makes laws. The videos are there. The kids saw it on TikTok. Afenyomakin slapped the police officer. Till date, Obian Kashin on Ghana. Now we a police officer, we a IGP, we a CID boss, we a Yoko boss. Oji sa akora na odwene ho. Omo we see nyina ye Jimmy. The young people see the leadership of this country as foolish. Emu ahimfuo, emu queen mothers, emu asofo, emu politician. The young people don't respect us because ye Jimmy. Nanka Afenyomakin ebo police ni asum no. Nanka Afenyomakin end up in jail. Anka akora bia ni Ghana obetuma pija ne nsa. Ene konta kokohwe. Akora to police no abon asum. Then akora. Why are you people going after the kids? Huh? Afenyomakin ade no ye no. Ekro papa bi a lawyers papa woma. Anytime we be assault obi de na ko gina court no, that person will use Afenyomakin's case as his test case in court to make a case. Because one, Afenyo is a lawmaker. Two, Afenyomakin is a minority leader. Three, Afenyomakin is a lawyer. Four, Afenyomakin knows the law. Five, it was captured on TV. The police did their investigations. They confirmed that he did it. Hey, lawyer Bio Bejina Court will just take that document and defend anybody who assaults anyone in Ghana. But it's Ghana, Kwasi Ampeyo and Ghana and who fin. Kwasi Asan and who fin. Now it's Ghana say yet Ghana, yet to my wine. Now Kwasi we because on over to me fu. Kwasi we because over to Ghana for fu. Now if you make nyansa bell on it trim. Say a bu Ghana and ye bu ya hua. Ye bu Ghana and ye bu ya hua. Kwasi we to meet in parliament. Nobody has touched this guy. Or the Okuta law certificate in Ghana, so a lawyer. Kwasi Ampeyi, or police in Asum. So what we are seeing here is what Afenyomakins them have done. So you all should be ashamed of yourselves. From the IGP to the CID boss to the Attorney General to the President himself. Afenyomakin Adeoye, and this is what we are seeing. Nobody wants the law to work. And him for Ghana, everybody's quiet. We saw a member of parliament, a minority leader, slap a police officer, uniform police officer. Asante hinankasa, Bono hinankasa, Aunafo hinankasa, Yanankasa, Chebi hinankasa, Obia ankasa wa Ghana, and Akwasiya we nam Ghana. So they don't see these things. And we sit here and say, we are a bunch of cowards and hypocrites. All of us. Including myself. How do you want to build this nation? How do we want to build this nation? So who are you blaming? You're blaming the young kids for what? Let us start from the top. Let us discipline the foolish ones from the top. The kids are not scared because we have a minority leader who slapped the police officer. Interkurano or the police officer. Near Ghana, I saw for Ghana and Kwasiasem. Now, Afenyomakin crow film no or hini team. Now or hini catch him so or hini nyansani or member of parliament or your lawyer. Ejina TV so abo police ni asum. No friend to my did the or your hini. Are you okay? You are insane. You are insane. You cannot justify this anywhere in the world. So you sit and you people sing and say this is a joke. We are seeing the effects of that.
The NPP cannot be underestimated.
The NPP of Darocha Sakiskek, Victor Owusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor. Those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,